Hello, and welcome to this CogBI tutorial. In this video, we will be going over line and area charts. We'll start out this tutorial by adding a line chart. The simplest line chart we can make consists of one label field and one value field. The label field will determine our labels along the x-axis. The values field will determine how high each point is along the y-axis. For our labels, let's choose the Date field and format it by year. Make sure you sort it ascendingly. For our value, let's choose our Sales field, tap Done, and here's our chart. Along the x-axis, you will notice the 3 years we have data for. The value of each point along the y-axis is determined by adding all the sales values of each year. That was easy. Let's make this chart a bit more complex. Our data source also contains a column that tells us what the cost associated with each sale was. Let's add this field as a second value. Now our line chart has 2 lines, one for sales and one for costs. You can add up to 10 values on each line chart. These same principles also apply to area charts. Let's try something different, this time using an area chart. Let's start out with a similar chart to our line chart, years on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis. Here we go. This is a very simple chart that tells us how much we've sold per year. Now, let's make it a bit more complex. This time, instead of adding another value, we will use the Group By field. Let's choose Brand as our Group By field, and let's scroll down and change the options so that our lines are stacked on top of each other. Now, our chart is again showing us how much we've sold each year. However, this time the values are broken up by the values in our Brand field. By going to full screen, we can see which brand is represented by each color. By tapping any point, we can find out more information about it. This point tells us that in 2011, Bell Computers sold close to $500,000. Remember that Group By field is also available for line charts. That concludes our tutorial on line and area charts. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit cogbi.com/support.